Alright, update on mana. So if we zoom in, you can see, for the past few videos, we've been outlining this big old M pattern here with a breakdown target of, all the way down here at a 32% drop at 183. So, so far we have bounced on the 200-day moving average. So, that is good. That may be the low. Personally for me, I am sitting on the sidelines for altcoins. If you've been watching my videos for the past few weeks or so, that I have been sitting on the sidelines just holding Bitcoin, buying Bitcoin, and there is a specific reason for that. So if we come over to the Bitcoin dominance, for the past few weeks we've been saying while we are above the 200-day moving average, I'm just personally accumulating Bitcoin. I'm not touching altcoins. I'm not buying, longing, shorting altcoins. I'm simply buying Bitcoin every day, dollar cost averaging. And why am I doing that? Well, if we come over to Decentraland, you can see, sure, we have had a 6% increase today, but Bitcoin is up, 9.5%. So while mana may be up in the short term, we can see that priced against Bitcoin, it is currently dropping, and we are also making like another M pattern on the mana pair. So what I'd really need to see for me to kind of believe that we are going to go much further down is a break below the 6515 level. If we do have a strong bounce at this point and go up, so be it. But like I said, I am sitting on the sidelines for these altcoins. Mana is up 6%, but Bitcoin is up, 9.5%. So, we expected this to happen. We pointed out, whenever the Bitcoin dominance does go above the 200-day, Bitcoin does rally, and all these altcoins, Mana specifically, as this is what the video is about, they will be losing their value against Bitcoin. So, even if we look to the side here, ICP and Solana are the only two coins that I follow that are outperforming Bitcoin. Everything else is underperforming against Bitcoin, and this is what we've been expecting. So what am I seeing in the short term for mana? So we put in this M pattern and we have the neckline here at 271. We are currently back testing it, so now is really decision time. Personally, I wouldn't be longing or shorting if we do break above or below. Like I said, I'm sticking with my trading plan. I am just buying Bitcoin until Bitcoin does make a solid decision whether we are breaking up or down. Meaning that, if we break up and we break above the 46,000, I believe the altcoins would have a very, very big rally following that. A lot of confidence would come back into the market, and you could see a lot of these coins like Mana outperforming Bitcoin in the short term. On the flip side, if Bitcoin, gets rejected at some point here, I do expect the Bitcoin dominance to keep on going up and altcoins to lose even more of their value priced against Bitcoin. So all in all, Mana has lost its price today against Bitcoin. This is why I'm sitting on the sidelines. This level that we're at right now, 270 is such a key area that, if you are a big Decentraland fan, you would want to see us get above here very, very quickly. So we have been up here rejected many, many times. Do bear in mind, the more and more you test the support or resistance, the weaker it gets. So in this case, this is a resistance. As you can imagine, we keep testing it. So it is potentially looking like we may break above it, but personally for me, like I say in my videos, I'm a conservative trader. I'm not gonna look at a chart and say, in my opinion, I believe that we're going to break above this trend line, so I'm going to buy now, because if we do just fall through the table right now, I would have made a massive L on that trade. So I will be waiting for a solid break above this trend line, a retest, and a strong pump. So far, every time we have gotten above it, we've been followed by a swift rejection. So if we do lose this, you could probably see us coming down to at least the 200-day again, which is at 227. If we do lose that, then my price target of the M pattern is still very valid down here at 183. So to tie this video up in a neat bow, nothing has been decided yet. We're neither bearish nor bullish in the short term. We are simply retesting this trend line. If we do break below it in the next day or so, we can start talking about coming down approximately 15% at least. If we then don't hold that and put in, a double bottom on the 200-day, we could see a 32% drop coming into place very soon. So Decision time is coming. I do believe massive volatility is coming for the altcoins. A little bit of caution though, the the total crypto market cap is still below the 618 Fibonacci retracement level. If we do zoom back in, you can see multiple times we have come up, been rejected, and we've been rejected from this trend line and fell below. So is it possible we're setting up for a retest of this and a rejection? It is very possible. Is it also possible that, this is the bottom, we've already put in the bottom and we're about to pump? Yes, that is also possible, which is why I am sitting on the sidelines. So nothing's been decided. Bitcoin still is technically making lower highs. If we do roll over now, your altcoins will be decimated and the Bitcoin dominance will keep on going up. So while the Bitcoin dominance is going up, I'm personally sitting on the sidelines for altcoins. But like I said, if you are a big Mana fan, I would be keeping an eye on 270 as a key area of interest. So that's all I see for Decentraland today. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market. And one last thing, this big red line, which is the neckline of the M pattern, is also this 618 Fibonacci level. So if we do lose this 618 Fib, the next level down here basically lines up with the M pattern, 32% drop. So there's a lot of confluence coming into the market right now. If we do get above this 618, like I said, we could see a massive rally. And on the flip side, if we do break below it, we could see a massive dump. So really, I'm just sitting on the sidelines waiting for a decision. I believe that will come soon, so I'm just going to be patient. That's all I see for today. Cowboy out. Peace.